Hello students, today in this video we are going to solve this Math Olympiad problem which is from the Philippines Olympiad, which states cube root of 54 plus sixth root of 4 is equal to what? So we need to find the value of this expression. So let's start the solution. Cube root of 54 can be written as 27 times 3, 27 times 2. We have broken down 54 into two factors, 27 and 2, plus, and sixth root of 4 can be written as 2 times 2. Again, we can write the factors of 27 as 3 times 3 times 3. These are all the factors of 54, plus sixth root of 2 square. 2 times 2 is 2 square. We have just written it in form of exponents. Now, this can be written as cube root of 3 cube times 2 plus sixth root of 2 square, or we can write it as 3 cube times 2 whole raised to power 1 by 3, and sixth root of 2 square can be written as 2 square whole to the power 1 by 6. We are going to make use of the exponent rule, which is a raised to power m whole raised to power n equals a raised to power m times n. So this will be 3 cube times 1 by 3 times 2 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to power 2 by 6. So we'll solve it further. So this is going to be 3 raised to power 3 by 3 times 2 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Now this term will be 3 raised to power 3 by 3 will be 3 times 2 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Now let's take 2 raised to power 1 by 3 common from both the terms. So that's going to be 2 raised to power 1 by 3. And inside the bracket we have 3 plus 1. So that's going to be 2 raised to power 1 by 3 times 4. Or we can write it as 4 times cube root of 2. Or if we take this 4 inside of the cube root, so we have cube root of 2 times 4 cube, which equals cube root of 2 times 64, which is cube root of 128. So cube root of 128 is our final answer. So this is how we solve these kind of problem. Mark our option for the correct answer. And the correct option is option A, which is cube root of 128. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.